You wake up in the middle of the night. You check the clock. 3:07 a.m. It happens again the next night. And the next. It starts to feel like something specific is happening at that time. But the truth is, your body probably isn't targeting 3 a.m. at all. And what's really happening inside your brain is far more interesting. For many people, late-night awakenings tend to happen in the second half of sleep. This is when sleep naturally becomes lighter. Dream sleep becomes more frequent. The brain becomes more responsive. The body is closer to waking biology. So waking during this period is common. But the specific number on the clock? That's often just memory bias. You don't remember every small awakening. You remember the one where you saw the time. And that time becomes the story. But memory bias isn't the only reason this happens. Your brain's internal timing system also plays a role. Inside the brain is a biological clock. It regulates hormones, temperature, alertness, and sleep depth. But this internal timing doesn't follow the wall clock. Two people both seeing 3 a.m. may actually be at completely different internal biological moments. One person might be near their deepest sleep phase. Another might already be near their natural waking transition. So the clock time itself isn't the cause. It's what your internal system is doing at that moment. And even when you wake, that doesn't always mean something went wrong. Throughout the night, the brain naturally moves through tiny awakenings. Most last only seconds. Many people never notice them. These brief arousal moments may actually serve useful functions. They help the brain regulate blood flow, adjust breathing and posture, and maintain internal balance. In healthy sleep, these awakenings are brief and forgotten. But when stress, anxiety, or attention intervene, the brain becomes more alert, and the awakening lasts longer. And once the brain becomes alert, another system can start influencing the night. As morning approaches, the body gradually prepares to wake. Hormones linked to alertness begin rising. Body temperature slowly increases. The nervous system becomes more responsive. This process can begin hours before you actually wake. So if you wake during this rising phase, returning to sleep may feel harder. Not because something is wrong, but because your brain is already preparing for the day. But biology isn't the only factor. Your thoughts and reactions also matter. When you wake and check the clock, the brain encodes that moment. If it happens repeatedly, the brain starts expecting it. This creates a feedback loop. You wake slightly, you check the time, your brain becomes alert, and the awakening becomes longer. Over time, the clock itself becomes part of the pattern, not as the cause, but as the trigger for awareness. Waking at 3 a.m. rarely has a single explanation. It's usually a combination of natural sleep cycles, internal biological timing, brief normal awakenings, and how the brain responds in that moment. Understanding this changes the question. Instead of asking why the clock shows 3 a.m., we begin asking what state the brain is in when it wakes. Because sleep isn't controlled by one trigger. It's shaped by many overlapping systems, working quietly through the night. Subscribe to Vera Human and continue understanding the biology shaping your future